Hi there, welcome in. Today we're going to talk about how you can get your first bookkeeping client. And this is something you could do right away for free. You don't need any money. All you need to do is have your phone and email ready and you can reach out to clients. So, when I first started in bookkeeping, this is 10 years ago, I was like, I am not really going to be posting on social media. Like I had young baby at home, all the things. I didn't want to build a client acquisition system that depended on me showing up on social media. So what I did instead was I looked for strategies to find clients that were already looking for services that I could just reach out to via email. This is how I built my entire business. And so what I recommend you do is go on to Facebook specifically is great. And job boards, those are two great places to start. And you want to search, especially on Facebook, you want to search like QuickBooks help or need a bookkeeper or bookkeeping help. And then you want to sort that by posts. What that does, it's going to pull up a bunch of posts with those keywords in it. Now, sometimes there's going to be posts in there that are from other bookkeepers. But if you sift through all the posts, you're going to find where people are posting, hey, I need a bookkeeper. Any recommendations? Hey, I need help with QuickBooks. Any recommendations? So those are the keywords you want to search. You want to find those posts. And then what you want to do is you want to click on their profile and either put a comment or send them a DM. Sometimes what you can even do is on their Facebook profile, you can see their business name and you can find their business email pretty easily and send them an email. And the whole goal in getting clients is to set up a consultation. And then once you set up the consultation, you can see if it's a good fit, and then you would start the onboarding process. But when it comes to getting clients, you want to look for businesses that are already saying, I need a bookkeeper right now. That's going to be the easiest clients to get. Secondly, I like to use job boards because a lot of times, if you look at job boards specifically for bookkeeping, it's not always, hey, I need somebody to come in 9 to 5. I need this done. These are the job roles, blah, blah, blah. A lot of those job ads are actually just small businesses that can be remote bookkeeping clients. There are a lot of people just saying, hey, I need help with QuickBooks. I need this, and this done every month. So a lot of times I've been able to get clients that way because what I'm doing is I'm basically saying, hey, you don't need to hire me as an employee. You don't need a bookkeeper as an employee. What I can do is bring you onto my business as a client. It's going to save you money on workers' comp insurance. It's going to save you money on payroll taxes and all of that stuff. And you can still get your bookkeeping done professionally every single month. Because at the end of the day, what they really want is their bookkeeping done on time, off their plate consistently. Sometimes it is an actual job you can't reply to. Sometimes the job is like, hey, I want somebody on site in person and they need an in-house person. But a lot of times it's not that. So those are the two strategies I would say try right now. I would say go on Facebook and put in QuickBooks help, bookkeeping help, and sift through posts and reply to people who have made those kind of posts. And then also sift through job boards. I like using Google job boards, just putting in remote bookkeeping jobs or bookkeeping jobs in there and going through the job boards because I can easily see what is like a temp agency or a bookkeeping agency versus what is small businesses. So you're wanting to look for small business owners or medium-sized business owners that are just saying, hey, I need somebody to help me with my books. This is going to get you in front of clients who are already have the budget, who are already looking and actively trying to get their bookkeeping done right now. They have a bookkeeping need, okay? And I'm not saying social media and all that stuff doesn't work. I just didn't build my business that way. I built my business by getting in contact with people who already had the need for a bookkeeping service. Now, if you want a breakdown of this step by step of how I get my clients, how the outreach templates, contracts, onboarding documents, all the things I've done to get clients, there's a link in my bio to my full program, and that's going to show you exactly my client acquisition system and how I have built my business and got clients and helped 3,000 plus people do that as well. Again, I teach all these online email outreach strategies because I don't think if social media is not your thing, that's going to be a hard thing to keep up with if you are looking to build a client base. If you have any questions on this video, please leave it in the comments. If this video was helpful for you, please like, comment, or subscribe.